And you can take this will give
So
you
you guys, it's so cold today, so I didn't go down to State Lake, but this is looking at the intersection from the 20th floor. I'm inside, but look at them down there, man. Those guys are so tough being out in this weather. But it is colder than yesterday, and Fonzie was telling me that his thumb was cold, so man, those guys, they endure. But this is looking down at the intersection, so this is closed off right there. So there's an orange coat, that could be Paul.
Love the news.
But, oh man, just looking down at the site, I'm not going out there today, it's too cold.
Before the Hancock raised theirs to a higher level, they are now on a higher floor than we are, but originally we were the highest floor. So the
Yes,
Israeli
I
news
feel like a stalker.
came in
So the
and
Israeli
interviewed
news
us and
people?
showed the whole room on Israeli news.
Nice.
There's not a lot happening over there, so.
Oh, this is 100,
Okay,
100 years ago.
this is the intersection, you guys.
Yeah.
They're down there doing
I don't know
something.
what to say. I feel like.
What are they dragging out?
The top now.
They're dragging out something here. It looks like they're waiting to cross traffic.
You're gonna move all this stuff over there?
No, I'm just,
Man, I have to get out on my balcony to see down to the intersection this clearly. I'm sitting at my apartment looking at the intersection through railing. Everybody's laughing at me, but here, look at those.
You know you're in a
What are they
building.
dragging across?
Right? Go do that from
Is
the
that
washing
it?
machine room or something.
That would be a good idea. So look at those guys dragging something. Alright, you guys, that's the intersection. State and Lake. This is the view from being inside my apartment. Oh man, the trains just roll past.